Today we're showing you a 2018 Massey Ferguson 5711 tractor. The tractor has just over 300 hours on it. It's a very sharp tractor. It's a local one-owner machine. Has a Massey Ferguson 941X quick attach front loader to go with it. Global style hookup here for your bucket connection. Bucket has not seen a lot of use. Has the front grill guard on it. Paint is in excellent condition, as you can see. Again, this is a local one-owner tractor. It's very well equipped. It's got the mirrors on the cab. It's got triple rear remotes here. We'll show you here in a minute. Also has the Trelleborg Radial tires on it. Buttons on the fenders on both sides to raise and lower your 3-point arms. Has the 540, 540E, and 1000 PTO options. Top link triple rear remotes. Front and rear wiper. Front and rear work lights. Also has the fender extensions on the rear fenders here, as well as the front fenders. Beltline lights for extra lighting for your loader work. I believe the 1000 shaft is in the toolbox here. That goes right with the tractor. Show you the inside of the cab. Looks nearly new in here. Has the buddy seat here on the side. Air ride seat for the operator. Has the hand park brake, which is a nice feature. 12-speed transmission. You've got high-low and the shorter lever back here. 6 gears on this lever. You can also declutch it with a button right here, so you can shift that transmission with pushing the button from gear to gear rather than pushing the clutch in. And it also has the powered reverser up here on the steering column, which allows you to change direction without clutching. Loader control right there within easy reach. 3 levers there for your rear remotes, hand throttle, 4-wheel drive and differential lock switch, as well as your PTO engagement. 3-point switches all, and levers all on the side there as well. On the post over there you get your 540, 540E, and 1000 selector, ignition key, 3-point controls, and then some light switches. All the way up top you've got the radio and climate controls. It's a very, very nice tractor. It's a very comfortable cab. Very nicely laid out for the operator. We do take trades, also do offer trucking and financing. We can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. We can also offer financing for qualified customers. If you have any questions or have a trade, please feel free to contact us at masttractor.com or give us a ring at 330-359-5405.